Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As I mentioned in my previous video that I'll be making another video on the issues Delhiites are facing due to the ongoing heat wave and what are its causes and consequences and what roles do we have in this. First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Why am I making the video in an outside setting? So basically, I asked ChatGPT with sharing my channel link and asked what are its flaws, and it said that my videos are only made in one sitting in front of the beautiful walls that I sit on and facing the camera. And also the weather has been really nice today, so I thought why not make an video. So let's start. I guess it will rain in a few minutes or maybe not, but let's rush. The ironic situation I am in right now is that it started to rain suddenly while I was making the video. It can be ironic, and it is a miracle that with Allah's mercy we are experiencing this rain. So let's continue the video. As I was already saying, Delhi, a city that was once known for being the capital of many huge empires, dynasties and sultanates, and even the capital of British Raj, and after independence it became the capital of our motherland, India. As we progressed, Delhi became more populated. People from cities like Bihar, UP, Haryana migrated to Delhi. Also, a city that was once known for its marvelous architecture is now known for being polluted. As the population increased rapidly, it led to urban decay, deforestation, and many other things. As we already know, we have seen a few years back, a decade ago, in our childhood, that there were huge trees alongside the roads, and we were experiencing not so much heat then. But as population increased, the trees also being cut down, and now we see dried stems of trees and bushes, as well as the increased use in air conditioners. Unfortunately, everyone having the accessibility to air conditioners and refrigerators is leading to a huge amount of chlorofluorocarbons releasing into the atmosphere, which is leading to the global warming, and that is the ultimate cause of heat wave in Delhi. In old times and maybe a few years back, people who were of a conservative or maybe a more grounded personality used surais. Surais were basically pots made of clay that were used to store water, and used coolers that were made of iron. And as the commonality of air conditioners became wide, people started to use them, and it led to the release of CFCs in the atmosphere. So these are the main causes that I think for the heat wave in Delhi. But right now Delhi is facing a heat wave. It may or may not be because of our actions, the increasing use of air conditioners and refrigerators, the cutting down of trees, which is leading to this. And we are solely responsible to take care of the other organisms that are around with us. We should put water in some bowls or made of clay for the crows, pigeons and other animals like squirrels and little organisms. We should also put water coolers in front of our shops so that any traveler or any person who is thirsty can drink from it. We should decrease the use of air conditioners and start to use coolers and surais again. And also we should take care of our environment by planting a tree or a small plant of, we can say, tulsi or something, so that oxygen is created more than the emissions we release from our ACs and cars and refrigerators. So that's all for my video. I hope you like it. If you like my new concept and my new setting, do like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment about what should I make a video on next. Until then, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.